Good morning. It's early in the morning, and when I say early, it's before 7 a.m. I do have to start working my full-time job soon, but in the mornings I like to be a little creative, and I find that I'm struggling because I painted this the other day, and I really enjoy it. I use Daniel Smith and Holbein gouache. So Daniel Smith watercolors and Holbein artist gouache on this. And I really loved it at the time, and I filmed it and I edited the video, and now when I'm looking back at it, I don't love it. I kind of want to do it over. And so that annoys me. So I'm thinking, instead of doing that, I'm going to get out of my head and I'm going to play with paint instead. And I'm just going to play. I'm going to enjoy the fun of mixing colors together, because sometimes you just have to do that. So I'm going to choose 4 colors here and just use those. So I think I'm going to go with this one, which is a, oh, what is that? I have a little cheat sheet here. It is quinacridone gold. I'll just make a little swatch here. Oh boy. Hold please. Alright, got some quin gold. These are Holbein watercolors, by the way. Sorry, I'm still a little tired. Tired. And maybe I'll do Crimson Lake. Sure, why not? And Vermilion. I might choose 4 colors, actually. Ooh. Yeah, I think I want to choose 4 colors. And cobalt blue hue. So whenever I have a Viridian or like a phthalo green like this, it is extremely bright, and I typically shy away from it. So that's why I'm going to include this here, because I think that the more I use it and the more I blend it with other colors and see its potential to not be so bright and in my face, I might use it more. So let's start there. Actually, I'm going to turn this way. I hope I remember which colors I'm using. Okay, we're going to start with that Viridian, and all I'm going to do is mix up colors. This is a brand new palette, so you can see it's it's doing that. All right, first I'll mix it with I'm gonna write those names down. And Crimson Lake. Cobalt blue hue. This is the first time I've had a cobalt blue. I've always wondered about it and wondered if I wanted to buy it, but I've never taken that leap. So I think it's really pretty. Okay, so here's our first mix. Now, what shape am I gonna make? I think I'll do triangles. This is Canson XL watercolor paper, so it's not going to be it's not going to get as great results as some others that I've used. And I'm just going to make triangles in different shapes all over the page. And then I will nestle them together. Or should I say tessellate them? When you want to be creative and paint, but you don't know what you want to do, what do you do? Do you search for a reference photo and hope you find it? Or do you make something up from your mind? Or do you ask your family to choose a photo for you? Do you do something like this where you're just playing with paint, not caring what you come up with? I would love to hear what you do. Sometimes I would just doodle. Like there's like Zentangling, but not really. Like I don't get that far into it just because I'm not. Like there are certain, I guess, styles of Zentangle that you can do, and I don't really know that they are. I just doodle. Zentangling, I think, is more is more than doodling, but I think you get the point there. What I'm trying to say. So sometimes I just get my pen out and start playing. But more recently, I've been getting out the paints and just playing because I want to learn what my paints can do. And I just find that I need color. I just want color in my creative sessions. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of that Quinn Gold now. Ooh, she's bright. That's pretty. I need to put something under here. I'm tired of holding it. That's good. I only have 2 more pages left of the sketchbook, so when I'm finished this, I'll only have 1 more page, and that makes me excited because this is my own. Oh, my rubber band broke. Shoot. This is a sketchbook that I made, and I don't love Canson XL watercolor paper. It's okay for certain things, but not for how I typically like to use it. So I would really look forward to not using it anymore. That's not to say I won't make another one of these someday. I might, but right now I'm kind of ready to be finished and move on. Alright, let's get out some of that red. Crimson Lake, and mix it with some colors next. Start with blue. Look at that blue hue. I'm not going for perfection with my triangles, clearly. Just as long as they have 3 sides, I don't care. So like that one is a little bit misshapen, but that's gonna be fun when I nestle one up against it. It's a really watery mix. I don't want it to be so watery. I wasn't thinking. It's posing a challenge on this size paper. So I did this not long ago in this sketchbook, and I really loved how it turned out, but it was easier. The pages are smaller, so I was able to get my hand around without putting my hand in the paint. It's more of a problem in this one.